Coordinates of a point in a Cartesian plane or xy plane or coordinate plane. To find coordinate of a point in a Cartesian plane. In a Cartesian plane, there are two perpendicular lines, y o y dash and x o x dash. To locate a point, we need perpendicular distances from both the axes, from x-axis and y-axis. Let the distance from x-axis, let the perpendicular distance of point P from x-axis is y unit, and the perpendicular distance of P from y-axis is x unit. ध्यान से देखो, यहां से यहां तक डिस्टेंस x यूनिट मीन्स दिस पॉइंट इज x. यहां से यहां तक डिस्टेंस y यूनिट मीन्स दिस पॉइंट इज y. This line is parallel to x-axis, therefore this point is x. This line is parallel to y-axis, therefore this point is y. This distance is y unit because it parallel to y-axis. This distance is x unit because it parallel to x-axis. Therefore, the coordinate of the point P is equal to x comma y. X, this perpendicular distance touch the x-axis at point x. This perpendicular distance touch the y-axis at point y. Therefore, coordinate of point P is equal to x comma y. X is the x coordinate and y is the y coordinate. X coordinate is known as abscissa and y coordinate is known as ordinate. Combination of abscissa and ordinate is known as coordinate of a point. Coordinate में पहले x coordinate लिखा जाता है, then y coordinate लिखा जाता है. Right? Coordinate of a point will be written in the form of ordered pair. Ordered pair का पहला एलिमेंट x coordinate और abscissa होता है. Ordered pair का second एलिमेंट y coordinate और ordinate होता है. To locate a point in a Cartesian plane, we need two perpendicular distances. These are x coordinate and y coordinate, right? This coordinates of a point in a Cartesian plane or xy plane or coordinate plane. To find coordinate of a point in a Cartesian plane. In a Cartesian plane,